Realme P3 Ultra. General. Performance. Chipset MediaTek Dimensity 8350. CPU octa-core. Display. Display type AMOLED curved display. Screen size 6.83 inches. Refresh rate 120 Hz. Design. Height 163.10 millimeters. Width 76.90 millimeters. Thickness 7.38 millimeters. Weight 183 grams. Water resistant IP66, IP68, IP69. Main camera 50 MP primary. Sensor IMX896. 8 MP wide angle camera. Autofocus. OIS. Front camera 16 MP wide angle and primary camera. Battery capacity 6000 mAh. Quick charging 80W Super Whoop charging. Storage internal memory 128 GB. Storage type UFS 3.1. Network and connectivity. Network support 5G 4G. Multimedia. No FM radio. Sensors. On-screen fingerprint sensor. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel.